Hello YouTubers. It's Kate from How to Media YouTube channel. In this video I am going to tell you what is important to become popular on YouTube. Is it easy or hard goal? Seriously, it all depends how crazy your videos really are to attract the attention of your audience. People want to see unusual things. Be brave, introduce yourself to the world, and don't be shy if you want your videos to go viral right from the beginning. Otherwise you will have to work really hard, but sooner or later you will succeed. I'm so popular, everybody loves me. Do not give up. It takes time to grow up. Keep making videos. Be consistent. Remember that, more you grow, the faster you will grow. Important. See how much content your competition have. Create more content than they have. And always optimize your content. Subscribe now and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay up to date. Thanks for watching. Bye.